globe, whether it's the Reserve Bank of Australia, the Bank of Canada, the Bank of Japan. It's a heavy week of data. Thanks a lot for joining in, Manisha. Well, the other stock that we're looking at this morning is Nykaa. There's an interesting report, a cautious report actually coming in on Nykaa this morning. Mangalam is here to take us through that. Mangalam.
Interesting to see a cautious report coming in on Nykaa after a near 70% correction from the top on the stock itself. Macquarie has initiated coverage with an underperform rating and a target of 115 odd rupees. They say that the company's beauty business faces risk to margins as growth moves to smaller towns, also growth moves offline, and the competition threat is real. And the other business that they have, which is the fashion business, out there, Macquarie says that their experience from physical retail makes them cautious on the company's own brand focus and curation-led positioning in that vertical itself. With the company's limited operational history plus need for growth investments, makes them cautious on their EPS growth as well, as a result of which the stock lower on their underperform rating.
Okay, yes, it's recovered a bit from the opening gap down, but still down about 1.5%, just under 1.5%. Thanks, Mangalam, for that. Well, the other stock that's moving in the opposite direction, is really soaring away, is MGL, Mahanagar Gas, and that's because of an acquisition that they've done. Sonal's back with us. Sonal, do give us more details and color and why the market's so excited about this.
Well, a couple of reasons here. The first thing is that is the first ever acquisition that the company has made, and it paves way for volume growth going ahead and more expansion plans as well for the company. To give you the news, they have acquired Unison Enviro Private Limited for 531 crore rupees. This is an all-cash deal, and it is a city gas arm of Ashoka Buildcon. This gives them more access to other geographical areas as well, and that is the reason the company has actually acquired it. It has right to 3 geographical areas, which comprises of Ratnagiri, Chitradurga, Devangre, Latur and Osmanabad districts as well. In terms of turnover, FY22 turnover for Unison was 89.5 crore rupees, but they made a loss of 25 crore rupees. But going forward, the volume growth prospects are strong, and that is what analysts are very bullish about as well. ICICI Securities says that some industrial and commercial potential in each of the districts for the geographical areas where Unison is would give volumes of around 0.2 to 0.25 MMSCMD in next 3 to 4 years. This would mean this would add volumes of 1 MMSCMD to Mahanagar's portfolio by FY28. They have a buy rating with target price of 1125 rupees per share. Citi says this is the first inorganic foray, so while it is expensive, 6.5 times trailing price to book, it would view the acquisition positively because there was a lot of the analysts were cautious about the volume growth prospects of Mahanagar, and that takes it away. It could change perception around MGL's perceived lack of growth aggression and would be a good use of cash as well. So analysts are bullish about this acquisition, and that's why the stock is higher in trade.
Okay, let's take a quick break. Thanks a lot, Sonal, for that. Let's take a break. On the other side, Lata will connect with a whole host of experts in our special